70% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, despite having a budget. The shocking truth is that most budgets are actually designed to fail, and it's not your fault. The traditional budgeting approach is based on outdated methods that don't account for the complexities of modern life. It's time to stop using a budget that's holding you back and start using one that sets you up for success. The top 3 mistakes you're making with your budget are using the 50-30-20 rule, which is too inflexible for most people, not accounting for irregular expenses, which can blow your budget out of the water, and not prioritizing debt repayment, which can save you thousands of dollars in interest payments. So what does a budget that actually works look like? It starts with tracking your expenses, not just your income. It's about understanding where your money is going and making conscious decisions about how you want to allocate it. Then it's about creating a budget that's tailored to your individual needs and goals. This means taking into account your unique financial situation, including your income, expenses, debts, and financial objectives. Finally, it's about regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget to ensure it's working for you, not against you. This means staying on top of your finances, making adjustments as needed, and celebrating your successes along the way. By following these steps, you can create a budget that helps you achieve financial freedom rather than holding you back. So, what are you waiting for? Start building the financial future you deserve today. If you want to learn more about how to take control of your finances and build wealth, be sure to subscribe to Brian Justice and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos.